Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the highly rated Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. If you love fresh juices, you're in the right place. This juicer claims to make juicing easy and efficient, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's take a look at the box. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for kitchen storage. As we open it up, we can see the juicer itself, along with some accessories that come with it. But what about the features? This Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is designed for maximum juice extraction with minimal effort. Now, let's plug it in and start juicing. We'll be using a mix of fruits and vegetables today, including carrots, apples, and spinach. Listen to that motor, it's super powerful. Wow, look at how quickly it extracts the juice. You can see the juice separating from the pulp right before your eyes. Let's talk about the flavor, it's pure and refreshing. Juicing has never been easier. Now, we know cleaning is a concern for many. So, I'll run through how simple it is to disassemble and clean the parts of the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Remember, maintenance is key for longevity. Before we wrap up, let's recap why the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine could be the ideal kitchen companion for you. Fresh juices not only taste great but come with numerous health benefits. If you want to elevate your health journey, investing in a good juicer is essential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more juicer reviews and healthy recipes. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more kitchen gadgets. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, Big Mouth Large 3-inch Feed Chute for whole fruits and vegetables, easy to clean, Centrifugal Extractor, BPA-free, 800W motor, black. To the #1 juice extractor brand in America, this durable juice extractor is backed by a 3-year limited warranty by Hamilton Beach, the #1 juice extractor brand in America *. Compare and choose with confidence. Compare the competition to our extra-large 3-inch chute, 800 watts of power, 80 ounces pulp bin and 3-year warranty. Plus, the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Save time and effort with extra-large 3-inch Big Mouth chute. Since the 3 chute fits a whole apple, a bunch of celery or a handful of carrots, you can skip the time-consuming step of pre-cutting produce before juicing. Make fresh, healthy juice in seconds. Transform whole fruits and vegetables into nutritious juice in seconds. As you juice, the stainless steel micro-mesh strainer basket strains away pulp and seeds for smooth results. Maximum juice yield from hard and soft foods. The powerful 800-watt motor ensures maximum juice yield for less waste. Juice everything from flavorful oranges and apples to cucumbers and leafy greens. The simple on-off control button makes it easy. Easy to clean, cleaning up after you juice is easy. The juicer machine comes with a convenient strainer cleaning brush. The pulp bin, juice bowl, lid and pusher are all dishwasher safe. Source: Circana/Retail Tracking Service, U.S. Unit Sales, 12 months ending September 2024. In this video, we dive into the world of juicing with the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, a highly acclaimed appliance in the kitchen. Whether you are a health enthusiast or simply love fresh juice, this juicer promises to deliver exceptional results. We will start with an unboxing of the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, examining its features and included accessories. The design and build quality will also be discussed in detail. Next, we will review the performance of the juicer, putting it to the test with a variety of fruits and vegetables, showcasing how it can extract juice efficiently and quickly. You will see firsthand how the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine operates, along with tips on how to use it effectively. We will also compare it to other popular juicers in the market to see how it holds up. Throughout the video, we mention valuable keywords such as Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, juicing recipes, juice extraction, and juicer reviews to enhance your search experience. Additionally, stay tuned as we share cleaning tips for the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine to make maintenance a breeze. Join us on this juicing journey and see if the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is the right choice for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more juicer reviews and healthy recipes. Black.